Happy Sunday. Today I'm going to be finishing my October group plays from some of my friends. And I have $50 and my 3-sided die. And I'm going to start with Ellie on Earth. And we're going to finish this one. So $5 and $3. So $8. So 5, 6, 7, 8. And with hers I saved 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. And I'll let you guys know what I'm doing because I'm setting up a new binder. And I still have my cold. I'm trying to get over. But I'm starting to feel better. And then this is Hello October from Grammy's Journey, my friend Gracie. And I'm gonna roll and finish. So 2 and 2. $4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And with hers, I saved 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And then next is my group play from October. And $1 and $1. So $2. 1, 2. And with mine, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Let me move these. And then next up is October group play from Angela Marie 888. And I just have one roll. 2. 1, 2. And in hers, I saved 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And then that's all the group plays, but I'm doing her October challenge. And so 1, oops, $1. And in this one, I saved 20, 1, 2, 3. And then this is a challenge from Julie's Pages. I love fall. And I'll just do 1 for now. 2. 1, 2. And then I added this one in from Anna Banana Budgets. And the bats I have are $2. So 2. Let's see. I'll use my highlighter. We'll do a bat. So 1, 2. I'll do one more. And 1. And I'll go back to Julie's pages and do one more in hers too. 1, and then I added in I made the scratch off, Christmas scratch off, and I'm gonna start it. I'll do this one, $5. $5, and I'll do this one. Another $5. And I'll do one more. $4. Let's see, 1, 2. I'll just put in another 5. I still have some extra money. So I'll go back and do a couple more in this one. 1 and 1. So 2 more. I'll just do another bat. I need to put that money in my challenge. Hold on. So 2. Let me see if I can get a 3. So 5. So I'll do another bat and a 1. And that's Anna Banana, and then still can do a few more in this one. So 1, and 1, I think, and 2. I'll just put this 5. And then I'll just do 2 more in here because I have $2 left. One, 2. Okay. And then let me count how much I saved total. And then next week I'll have more group plays. So I finished Angela Marie October challenge and group play. Let's see. And then my group play. And Grammy's Journey and Ellie on Earth. Let's see. So in total I saved 20, 40, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So I'm gonna start because of the government shutdown. They're saying, because I'm on SNAP benefits, because I'm low income, they're saying that we might not get food stamps this month. So I saw these 1 month ahead things from Budget with Elma, and I put in rent, utilities, miscellaneous, which I'll use for food, and then a buffer. And then she has these fully funded month ahead that I printed out. And then there's also these gas, there's some other ones on there too. I printed out gas or propane, subscriptions, and memberships, but I'm going to start with these ones for now. And half of this is going to go for month ahead and half into Christmas. So I think it was 113. I'm not good with math. So $56. I'll put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then, let's see, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Oh, let's do this. 20, 25, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, 56. Yeah, 25. I think I did it right. Let's see. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm going to try it this way. 25, 30, 40, 45, 50, 55, 56. And then this will go for Christmas, the other. So I put savings challenges in here that are longer, or bigger, larger amounts. This is from the Budgeting Sisters, and it has 10s and 5s. Let's see. So I'm going to do 15 in this one, and this will go for rent. And let's see, I'll use red. So I'll do 15 in this. To get ahead, just in case there's an emergency, because I'm on, well, the food stamps is, I guess, funded by the government, and then they said our Social Security is supposed to be safe, but I'm not sure. So I'm trying to get a month ahead. And then next is utilities. Ugh. And this one I have, it saves 105. It's from Saving with Tiffany. And I'm going to use it for utilities. And let's see. I'm going to put 6 in today. So 6. And then this one was gonna go for groceries. It's miscellaneous. But this is from the Budgeting Sisters. And I'm gonna put 20. So I'm gonna do 2 6s and 2 4s. So 20. And then last up is just a buffer for anything else, or if I need extra money. And this is also from the Budgeting Sisters. And I'm gonna put 15. So 5, 10, 15. So that gives me a little start for my month ahead. I don't know how long it'll take, but a little bit adds up. And so, oops. So that's my start. Because they're saying that we probably aren't, if the government doesn't reopen, we're not gonna get our November food stamps, SNAP benefits. So I'm trying to be prepared. But that's all I have for today. I'll see you for Saving with Friends tomorrow. Hope you guys are having a great day. Bye.